Two giants in health insurance, Cigna and Humana, both promise top-notch coverage, but which one actually looks out for you? On one side, we have Cigna, known for its global reach and comprehensive plans. On the other, Humana, focused on customer care and wellness support. Let's cut past the marketing spin and focus on what genuinely matters. We'll break it down point by point, so at the end you'll know exactly who leads the way. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. So here's the game plan. We'll look at price and value, coverage options, care quality, digital tools, how each serves seniors, and oh, this is big, their network and overall reach. By the end, you'll know exactly where each insurer shines, stumbles, or just kinda hangs out in the middle. Let's kick off with price and value. Okay, so Cigna honestly brings a global network and some cool wellness incentives, but you know what? Some of their plans hit your wallet harder with those premiums. Then you look at Humana, they're out here flexing with competitive premiums and a bunch of Medicare Advantage plans that, yep, brag about $0 premiums. Sure, a few plans have higher copays, but overall, let's be real, Humana takes this round if your eyes are on those monthly numbers. Switching gears now, coverage options. So Cigna covers almost everyone. They've got individual, employer, Medicare, and plans that work across the globe. Plus, virtual care is a real thing for them. The flip side? Limited love for Medicaid. Now Humana, they go in hard on Medicare Advantage, tons of plans, and most even throw in dental, vision, and prescriptions. But if you want non-Medicare stuff, it's pretty limited. Honestly, I'm calling this category a tie. Cigna's got range, Humana's got senior perks, depends what you need. Let's talk care quality because no one wants to spend hours on the line or deal with so-so doctors. Cigna comes through with strong NCQA ratings, and get this, their coverage is everywhere, national, international, you name it. Downside, customer service isn't always a slam dunk depending where you live. Meanwhile, Humana, they're awesome with seniors, really strong on coordinated care, but honestly, some of their HMO plans get side-eye in reviews. So winner here is definitely Cigna. Solid ratings and you can basically be covered wherever. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know, both Cigna and Humana actually date back to the 1800s. Like, we're talking old school. Who said insurance was boring history, right? On to digital tools. Cigna seriously crushes it with their app, it's top-rated, and virtual care 24/7 is kind of a game changer, right? Only weird thing, features jump around depending on which plan you have. Humana's app does a good job, don't get me wrong, wellness tools, smooth claims tracking, it's all there. But it's a big but their telehealth just doesn't stack up to Cigna's, so Cigna gets another win here. Digital lovers, you know where to look. Now let's zoom in on senior focus. Cigna, they've got decent Medicare, no question, but if you're looking for real senior-specific care, it kinda trails off. Humana though, this is their playground. Massive Medicare Advantage presence and chronic care management is like their signature move. Flip side, their non-senior plans aren't as strong. Still, when it comes to seniors, Humana totally runs the show. Alright, last but not least, network and reach. Cigna, oh, it's wild. We're talking a global network across 200+ countries, perfect for expats, digital nomads, or even just travel buffs. Downside? If you only want domestic coverage, it might feel a little much. Humana is rock solid across the US, particularly for Medicare, but if you're dreaming of international plans, not happening. So Cigna definitely takes this one if global reach is even remotely on your radar. Okay, before I hand down the final verdict, here's how the categories really stack up. Visually, you can see the strength zones. Cigna absolutely owns in network, digital, and global coverage, while Humana's wheelhouse is price and that laser focus on senior care. Alright, big picture, if you need a plan with global muscle, top-notch digital tools, and a variety of coverage options, Cigna's your winner. But if you're mainly thinking about Medicare or senior-focused plans, Humana is hard to beat. For most people, especially if international stuff matters even a little, Cigna pulls ahead as the more well-rounded pick. If this helped you compare the two, and I hope it cleared the fog, don't forget to tap follow for more clear-cut, honest insurance breakdowns.